Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to activate the arc effect on Instagram. Alright, so this is the effect. Wow, I look crazy. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and save this effect. Alright, so you want to save it like so. Alright, and then you want to go ahead and visit Johnny Arc page on Instagram, and then you want to go ahead and follow Johnny Arc on Instagram to unlock this effect and all the other effects he has on his page. Right, so this is the effect. You want to go ahead and click on it, and once you're here, what you want to do is to hit try it, and this is the effect right here. Supposing you're not getting this effect like this, what you can do is to click on the link in the description and join me on this page. Right, once you get here, you want to go ahead and scroll down. Right, you want to scroll down until you can see this link right here. This is the effect once again. Alright guys, this is how to get the arc effect on Instagram. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.